Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and we've already taken it to here. And their question is, they're going to engrave this on a plaque, how they can center the name in this box. Well, first of all, you're going to need to make a border around this box, and it's real easy to take the rectangle tool and just go from node to node to node to node. Now you've got that one selected. You could do a couple of things. You can nudge out of the way. In preference here, personal preference is whatever you'd want to do. This is 1/10 of an inch thick border, but do you want that border to be that thick? So now let's take our new area and go to effects and contour, and we could contour it at 0.1 and give us that, but I think it's quite thick. But what's going to help is going to be the centering of that. So we're going to go ahead and go to Object and Break Contour Apart and just grab the center now and nudge it back over to where it was. So now it's right in the center, and now your name will snap to the center right there. And if you can't really know it's there for sure, what you can always do is I take it off center, hold down so you select both items and go EC, and then it's exactly in the center of that. And then what you're going to want to do is just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in this area. And there you have it. Don't forget maybe to take away your outline by right clicking. Just makes it a little bit better, and in case you did some cutting, it wouldn't mark it. So that's how you would center a name into a block that doesn't really have a center. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.